So we just pour water into the cup, add a little bit of dish soap. It should look like this. And then we just dip this in and blow.
So you telling me if I get a little cup, pour some water in it, a little bit of soap, and get one of them things from the toilet tissues, dip it in there, I'm gonna have my own little bubbles? Oh, you come to the kitchen with me. Let's try this out. Okay, bitch, you already know what time it is. It's experiment time with Tashawn. I'm gonna tell y'all if this shit is real or if it's fake. I ain't gonna front. I ain't gonna lie. Bitch, one thing about me, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, he said get the soap and just pour it in the water. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit like he said. And then he said it should look like bluish. It should look bluish. So let me just, just stir it around a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Now we only got 2 damn tries with this. Okay. So he said dip it in there a little bit. And bitch, where my bubble? Stop playing with me. I'm tired of doing these experiments that y'all take me in and they ain't working. Bitch, you got one more try. One more. Okay. This is the last time. I'm not playing. I'm doing this. I literally only got one more try. So we're going to put this in there a little bit. Bitch, fuck a little bit. I'm putting a lot. Okay? Now, he said it should look bluish. So it actually look bluish now. Get this. A little bit like he said. I wanted that big ass bubble. And you saw the small little thing I mean. Where my big ass bubble? Just lying all the time, bro. This shit didn't even work like that. Bitch, I think I got it. Wait, hold on. Bitch, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is the first time the experiment worked in a long periodical time. It worked, y'all. Bitch, it